Hi everyone, this is a lesson makeup for our Where Are You From book lesson from today, which is December 16th, Wednesday. So let's get started. So our goal for today is I can write a paragraph in paragraph form. So we'll start with a greeting and check-in. We'll read the book, Where Are You From? We'll talk about the book, and then I will explain today's assignment, and then you guys will have work time. So first, for our greeting question, I want you to tell me, where are you from? Where are you from? Where do you consider home? So I consider myself to be from Fargo, North Dakota, because that's where I grew up and my parents live. But now I live in St. Paul, so I call St. Paul home. So this is just a little check-in. I just want to see how you guys are feeling. We have exactly 1 week until Christmas or winter break. So how do you guys feel? Which gift best represents how you're feeling? So which number? So you can send me an email with your greeting question and which number best represents how you feel, so I know that you're watching this video. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to listen and read the book Where Are You From by Emil Saez Mendez. And this is the second time you'll be reading this book. So as we read and listen, I want you to think about what new details you find. Think about the girl's identity, and think about do you think this girl can answer the question, where are you from, at the end of the book? So let's take a listen.
Hello, my name is Shamile Sayed Mendez, and I'm the author of Where Are You From, illustrated by Jamie Kim. I would love to read it to you today. Are you ready? Here we go. Where are you from? Where are you from? They ask. Is your mom from here? Is your dad from there? They ask. I ask Abuelo because he knows everything. Unlike me, he looks like he doesn't belong. Where am I from? Abuelo thinks. His eyes squint, like he's looking inside his heart for an answer. You come from the Pampas, the open, free land, he says. You're from the Gaucho, brave and strong. From the brown river that cleanses and feeds the land, that gives us the grain for our bread, the milk from our cows. You're from mountains so high they tickle Señor Cielo's belly, where the condor roosts his family and the jaguar prowls the night. But you're also from the warm blue oceans the copper warriors tried to tame, and the elegant palm trees stretch their fingers to caress. You're from hurricanes and dark storms and a tiny singing frog that calls the island people home when the sun goes to sleep. From this land, where our ancestors built a home for all, even when they were in chains because of the color of their skin. You're from the grandmothers who search for their grandchildren, waiting, always waiting in a plaza, their white handkerchiefs wrapping the sorrow of their thoughts. You come from the sunshine that lights our path in this world, and the rain that washes away our mistakes. But Abuelo, I ask, where am I really from? Abuelo laughs. You want a place? He points to his heart. You're from here, from my love and the love of all those before us. From those who dreamed of you because of a song sung under the Southern Cross. or the words in a book written under the light of the North Star. You're from all of us. I am. The end. Thank you for watching, and remember, you're from here.
Okay, that was our book. So now we are going to move into a book talk. And unfortunately, you were in class, so you don't get to participate. But I want you to think about, where is this girl from? What makes her her? What makes her you? Do you have any connections to this book? What stood out to you from the book? What do you think the girl's really trying to figure out? Did she get an answer? What do you think the word identity means? How does identity relate to where you're from? These are all things that I want you to think about, and this will help you as we move into our writing assignment. So the little girl asks her abuelo, her grandpa, "Where am I from?" And he gives all these different stories of the past, of things that have shaped her people and her culture and made her be able to be where she is today. And then when she asks, "But where am I really from?" the grandpa says, from his heart, from the ancestors that lived beforehand. How does knowing where we're from and our past experiences, how does that shape our identity? Does it? That's something I want you guys to think about, and that's something I want you to kind of show me through our assignment today and through thinking about our identity. Identity is kind of what is basically what makes you you. The definition of identity is the quality, beliefs, and even more that makes a person different from other people, right? Think about your identity as the different pieces of your puzzle that, when put together, that's what makes you you. You might have some pieces that are same as other people, but no one has all the same pieces as you. We're all different. How does where we are from relate to our puzzle and the pieces of our puzzle? How does our culture and our family make us who we are? So different other pieces of our puzzle might be like your job, the things that you like and the things that you don't like. What makes you you, right? If people were to describe you in a couple words, how would they describe you? What's your characteristics? Are you funny, kind, smart? What about your family and your friends? Does being a brother or a sister, a son or a daughter, aunt or uncle, niece or nephew, cousin, do those make you who you are? Does that shape your identity? Where are you from? Does where you're from and your culture relate to your identity? Is that a piece of your puzzle? What else makes up your puzzle pieces? So I want to hear your guys' response, and your response for that today will be through writing. So today you're going to be writing a paragraph all about your identity. You will be writing a paragraph that is 5 to 7 sentences long in paragraph form. You need to do all of these things here. You need to write in complete sentences, include capital letters and periods. You need to have your sentences next to each other in a group. You need to have an indent, and you need to have a topic sentence, detail sentences, and a conclusion sentence. And you need to write about your identity. If you do all of that, you will get a 4 on this assignment. So I want to show you an example that I wrote about myself, and we'll talk a little bit more about the assignment, and then we'll be done with this video. So I'm going to read to you my example. I want you to notice what I write about, what I include, and also see if you can see my paragraph form that I included. So there are many parts of my identity. I am a teacher. I love to travel and have adventures. My family is important to me. I'm a wife, daughter, and sister. I speak English and Spanish. My identity is what makes me who I am. So, this paragraph tells you about my identity, tells you a little bit about what makes me who I am, where I'm from, what makes me me. I have a topic sentence, details, and a conclusion. So that's what you're going to do. Your assignment today, you'll be putting in a Notability from Schoology, and it looks like this. The directions say you are going to write a paragraph about your identity. Think about what makes you you. Who are you? What do you like to do? Where are you from? You need to write 5 to 7 sentences in paragraph form. Make sure you went to the live lesson or you watch the video before you complete this assignment. Your paragraph needs all those things I just shared to you, and take a look at my example. It's in Schoology. I want you to write your example in this box in Notability, and I want you to then turn it in Schoology for a grade. So now it's work time. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please email me your answers to the greeting and the check-in. I would love to see how you're doing. And if you need any help, there will be live class today from 2:10 to 2:40, and then there'll be office hours for help all the way up until 3 o'clock. So you're free to come in and get help and leave. And if you need to come back, that's okay. Or you can keep doing that till you get your assignment done and turned in. So remember, we have live class every Tuesday and Wednesday. I hope to see you there. And next Tuesday, you will be taking a summative exam. So make sure you get your stuff done so you can enjoy your winter break. I will see you guys soon.